How to fix allow microphone access missing on the apps. So if the option to allow microphone access is missing in your app setting, you have to follow this step and watch the video till the end. So very first step is that you have to check your privacy setting. Go for your setting here. Once you are on your setting, you have to look for the option of privacy here. And once you are on your privacy and security, just go and look for the option of microphone here. And once you are on your microphone option, find the app in the list and toggle it on here. So if you have simply disabled it here, you have to simply toggle it on. And after that, you have to restart your device to ensure settings are applied properly. So to restart your device, you have to long press on your power button and the volume up button at the same time until the slider appear. And you have to slide to power off. And after that, you have to wait for a few seconds and you have to long press on your power button until the Apple logo appear on your screen. And that's it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.